Hello, my name is Mike Goetz. I am a science librarian at the BYU Library. In this video, we're going to introduce you to academic databases. Databases are resources that you can use to find academic sources to help you with your research papers. For the purpose of this video, we're going to assume that I picked the topic of marine mammal conservation for my research topic. You can access the databases directly from the library website by clicking on the research guides and browsing through the specific research guides for databases relevant to your topic. You can also click on the database link and go to the databases that way, or you can also type them in directly into the main search box here. For this example, we're going to search the Web of Science database. Web of Science uses keyword searching to find information in this database. So I want to create as many search fields as I have distinct topics. So for our marine mammal conservation, I might say I'm going to put my marine mammal term here, and I'm going to put conservation here, and then maybe I'm interested in the laws, right? So I could have a term for laws. And I could run a search on this and it will likely pull up some relevant results. The nice thing about Web of Science is that I can also include other synonyms to broaden my search results. So on the marine mammal, I might be interested in whales, for example, or seals, or maybe sea lions in my search. And I could keep adding terms that I think would be relevant. On the conservation, maybe I'm interested in like protection, or other related terms. And on the laws, I could add terms like legislation or regulation, or other terms related to that. Let's go ahead and run a search and see what we get. So we run our search and we end up with 665 results, which is a fair amount to go through in our search. You'll notice that our terms are highlighted so we can see where our results are coming from. I would recommend going back to our search, and we can do one of a couple things. I can decide, well, maybe I'm really interested in the United States specifically. And so I can add a row and I can add terms like United States or USA or America. And I can add that to our search to narrow it down. Also, we could tell the database where we want to search. And so I could say, well, the marine mammals is probably pretty important. And so I want that to be in the title. And so marine mammal or whale or seal or sea lion will be in the title of the article to get a hit. Maybe the conservation is also important, but maybe I do that as a topic search. That'll be a little bit more not as restrictive as the title, but it will have it be a little bit more prominent. And maybe I could do the same thing with the laws. And maybe I keep the US where it's at. You can also add a date range if that's of relevance to your topic. For this example, we'll not do that, but you can always narrow it down by date as well. So when we update our search, we've now narrowed it down to 78 results, which that seems like a more manageable set of articles that you could look through. You can further refine these results by using the limiters here on the left to narrow it down to the specific document type or any of the other limiters that are listed here. At this point, you could browse through this list and determine which of these are relevant to your research topic. You can click on the title here to read through the abstract and get more information about the article itself. And if you decide that it's something that you're interested in, you can click on the Get It at BYU link to get access to the full text.